What's up everyone, welcome to a new video. As you know already, in this channel you can find a lot of information about how I trade and some concepts about smart money, which are some concepts that I have inside of my strategy. Now, as I said already in many other videos or on my Instagram, if you follow me already, and if you don't, make sure to go follow me for also daily tips and to actually follow what I'm doing and my entries and my trades and so on. As I say many times, smart money is a great tool. It has some great concepts, but in my opinion, it is not something that makes you profitable. As you know, right now, it is very, very popular. A lot of traders are using smart money, including myself, keep in mind, but still the 90%, so the majority, 90% of traders, or maybe also 95% of traders are still losing money, as I say many times. And you might wonder why. Why everyone thinks that smart money makes a person profitable, but they still lose money. The reason why is because a system with an edge on the market is missing. Smart money has great concepts. They can be applied, they make you understand how the market moves. But if you don't have a system that is proven to work over time and is proven to give you that extra edge in the market, then it is not enough to actually be profitable. Of course, mindset and psychology plays a huge role, and you might argue that 90% of traders also lose because of that, and I agree that it plays a role inside of the overall 90% of traders, but this is not the only thing. Keep in mind that smart money needs to be contextualized inside of your strategy. With that being said, I hope that you will like this video. Make sure to subscribe, because I will drop 1 or 2 free videos with free education here on my YouTube every single week. And if you want to join my course for some extra education and to actually learn how I trade and to follow my setups and my entries, then the links are here below. I'll see you in the video.
Perfect. So this is gold. Overall, we're bullish. I'm pretty bullish on gold overall, long-term bullish. However, 1 second, I need to close the window. All right. So, yeah, pretty bullish on gold. However, we can also look for some counter trend trades with lower risk, 0.5%. So currently we are sitting at the previous high, which should get broken. Overall, this is a retail level where we have many touches. This is already, this right here will be the 4th touch, but this is a daily area, not mitigated already. So what I expect is at least some reaction, but for a continuation later. But this reaction can give us more than 100 pips. That's the point. If you hear noises, is my cat. She's playing. So going on the 15 minutes, we can look what's happening. So even 1 hour first. Okay, 1 hour overall bullish, higher highs, higher lows. Currently, we have this demand area right here, and this demand area has not been mitigated yet. So I would like to see a push to this area for a continuation to the upside. Now, of course, we don't know if this will actually happen, but we are using our setups. As I said already, lower risk because this is less probability, higher risk on this setup, but I really like it. And I will enter a 0.5% risk on this one right here. First trade of the week. I'll just go with this one. Wait a second, I need to check. Okay, what's going on right here? Lower the stop loss above that, and yeah, I'll take this trade. Even if on the 1 minute we really haven't confirmed that we're bullish, that we are bearish, sorry. So Here we have our SW. To be sure, I want to see a break of this level. If I enter, I'm sending to the VIP channel the entry. So this will be the stop loss if we enter the trade 1827. Our entry depends on where we can get it, and our take profit will be the demand area. For now, as you can see, that's why I was checking the 1 minute, because overall, I would say that on the 15 we can see a nice schematic for our confirmation entry. But since this is against the trend and all and everything that I said already, then I would like to see a switch of momentum on the 1 minute. Now, for educational purposes, what I'm looking for is, so this is the 1 minute, and basically what we have is this, right? Here, high, low, not a higher high, actually some type of lower low, but overall, 1 minute switches really quickly, higher high, higher low, and right here, what I basically want to see is a break of the previous low. So we break the previous low, we can actually kind of confirm that we are turning bearish. And good thing we didn't enter and we were looking for confirmation, because this will be already in just few seconds a stop loss. We have a question: do we sell it now or not yet? Listen to what I'm saying. I said everything. We are waiting for confirmation. I drew this to make you understand the market structure of the 1 minute. We're waiting for the break of the area in order to enter. What is the mean of SW? The meaning will be like switch of, you can interpret it as you want. I just need to see a break of this area. You can call it SW, you can call it whatever you want. I just need to see a breakout of that area. Now this could be a second manipulation before the drop. So we're just waiting. We see the drop, and now this is the previous low. And if I see a break of that, I'm entering. I will get ready. Too bad I don't have my FTMO account ready. I passed it 2 days ago, but it's not ready yet. But it's okay. Anyway, let me get the signal ready. Are you waiting for a lower low confirming that this was manipulation? Yes, because for now we don't have any confirmation that this was manipulation. This could just be, you know, a higher high, retracement to demand, higher low, continuation for a higher high. So if I don't see some type of confirmation that this was actually a manipulation, then no trade for us. Here we can consider these some type of equal highs, even if they're not perfectly equal, but still manipulation of, oh yeah, they are equal, actually. They are. Equal highs, liquidity taken out. Liquidity is always taken. And even if this is perfect, we do not have confirmation that this is a manipulation, you know? So let's just wait. Happy we have 79 people connected, actually 80 people connected, waiting for a trade on gold. We don't have confirmation yet to actually enter. Just saying it for the people who just got connected. Now, just again, for educational purposes, since my goal is to see all of you trade on your own, if we see this type of confirmation, the stop loss could go just above the manipulation. If you want an aggressive stop loss, aggressive entry for bigger restored ratio, or if you want to keep it safe above the area, above the supply area, that will work too. It's just a different approach. We shouldn't come back for the manipulation if we have confirmation. But sometimes we do have double manipulation. We have a second manipulation. And also, what are your confluences for this trade? For this trade, we have, as I said already at the beginning of this live, this is a risky trade because it is against the trend. But down here we have a 1 hour, let me show you, 1 hour not mitigated demand. We have it here. Then on the 15 minutes, we have our usual schematic with confirmation that we are pushing to the downside, breaking these levels, supply area right here. And the supply area is actually grabbing the liquidity above all the previous highs. Okay, also here. This doesn't mean that we will fall. This doesn't mean that we will go to the downside. It just means that we have some confluences to start considering this trade. You'll find it, perfect. And then on the 1 minute, we were waiting for the confirmation to enter right here, equal highs, liquidity taken. Did we just take liquidity to continue to the downside, or this is just a break of structure to continue? We need to wait. We need to wait to understand. So I'm not looking for this trade yet. Well, I'm looking for the trade. I'm just not entering the trade yet. For me. Now, as you know, sometimes I use the Asian range. This will be taught in the 2.0 content, so don't worry, that's coming very soon, by the end of the month, actually. So this is our Asian range. We have the manipulation below it, and we just need to understand if this is manipulation below it to retest where it started from and continuation to the downside, or if this is just manipulation below it to actually continue to the upside.